So hello students, today's task 1 is bar graph. The chart below shows the spending in million dollar by 18-20-year-old in one country on 5 different products in 2010 and 2014. Summarize the information. Okay, so this task is about several commodities like which were sold in the market and which were bought by youngsters and adults. Okay, so first of all there are 2 years, 2010 and 2014. Food, clothes, books, smartphones and toiletries. Okay, I think it's a kind of housing product. And there were 50 to 500 million to maximum near about 4400 million dollar. We can also write 4400 million dollar to 4.4 billion dollar. Okay, so first of all let's try to make the introduction of this task. Then the information regarding the information regarding the expenditure of the information regarding expenditure of the information regarding expenditure of money on several commodities, namely food, clothes, books, smartphones and toiletries by youngsters in a country in year 2010 and 14, is depicted by a bar graph. The data has been calibrated in dollars. Okay, so this type of introduction should be written, and after writing this introduction we shall write a perfect overall. Okay, for the overall, in an overview, it is vivid. It can be vividly seen from chart that. Okay, in an overview, it can be vividly seen from chart that the highest proportion was spent on food in both the years in both the years, and the lowest was spent on books. Okay, the highest was spent on food in both the years and lowest was spent on books in both the years. It is a kind of overall which we all have to make. And after writing the overall, we will write the first body paragraph. In the first body paragraph, we will commence our first body paragraph by, at a fleeting glance, it can be seen from the chart that, at a fleeting glance, it can be seen from the chart that as the highest proportion was spent on food by adults. In 2010, it was around about $3,500 million, but in 2014 it was risen approximately by $900 million and became $4,400 million, which was the maximum amount spent by the entire youngsters of that country. Minimum was spent on books as in 2010 it was $100 million, and in 2014 it was exactly the half of the amount which was spent in 2010 and which was $500 million. Okay, and after that you can write in the second body paragraph that the proportion of clothes and toiletries were approximately same as the clothes were, as people spent around about $2,500 million on clothes, and it was identical in both the years. And for the toiletries there was a slight difference, and $2,000 were spent on toiletries by them. And in the last, for the smartphones in 2010, exactly $2,000 were spent But in the 2014, this proportion was increased to around about or approximately $2,700. So it is a kind of task one which you all have to write. Just try to like listen this audio repeatedly and just try to write all the task one which I have told you.